Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle is featured in our silver metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our 7-seat rear sliding doors as well as rear privacy tint. Now on to the interior of the Grand Caravan. I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features. You can see we have our two-tone cream and black door card. We also have our wooden trim and chrome door handle. You can see our rear window fold-out, lock and unlock buttons, rear window lock, and power windows. We also have our power mirror adjustment with joystick, speaker down below, as well as storage in the lower portion of the door panel. And on the side of the seat, we have our power seat and power lumbar support adjustments. Now off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our daytime running light switch and interior lighting dimmer switch. Our gauge cluster. On the steering wheel, we have our cruise control settings and controls for our screen in the middle of the gauge cluster. We also have a steering wheel wrapped in black leather. Our gear select stalk, radio. Below that, we have our climate controls, dual zone. We also have our fuel economy mode, hazards, and traction control. Storage down below that with two 12-volt charging ports, our two cup holders, as well as more storage with our coin holders. The front seats are featured in black fabric. And above the rear view mirror, we have our dome lights, as well as a sunglass holder that doubles as a rear mirror. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Dodge badge center caps. We also have paint matched mirrors and chrome trim along the outside, rear privacy tint. Around to the back, we have our Grand Caravan and our crew badging, as well as our Dodge featured in chrome. You can see with the lift gate open, we do have plenty of storage, as well as the options to fold down at the rear 60/40 split bench. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Grand Caravan, we'll take a look at our rear door panel, which also features our cream and black combination window switch. We also have our close handle, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seats, we have mesh magazine holders. And back of the center console, we have our pull-out storage, as well as two cup holders. We have two bucket seats in the middle, also featured in our black fabric with armrests, and our rear 60/40 split bench with speakers and storage off to either side. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.